Hi everyone. I'm so excited about this collab. Oh my goodness. So, welcome. This is a fun collab. Got my box right here. So, there are 10 of us doing exchanges. We did it through the Elster app, which is really nice. So, I don't know who I got. When the box did arrive, I had my son put a piece of paper over it, so I don't know. So I am so excited. So we are going to have creators every night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time doing either a live or they will be doing a pre recorded video and a premiere. So I am so excited about this. So this will not be in any particular order. Um, I believe Happy Hour Haulers on Monday starting us off, and then not sure on the rest. So here are the other people. So we have the Step Style, Stephanie. We have myself, Timeless Joe by Deborah. We have Stina Resells, Christina. We have Kristen D, Kristen. We have Shady NY, Marilyn. We have AKA the Bag Lady, Jamie. We have Pat Garza at Pat Garza, and then we have a single mom review, Sherry, and Misty at Skeeter Jones. So running from December 14th through the 23rd. So let's get into it. I like that we did this one per night. Oh, let's see. I didn't grab a blade. So let me see. Hmm. Holidays, you guys. All right. Here we go. So this is my box. Look at how cute that's decorated. I love it. I love it. So I told my son, watch out for a box that says collab on it or decorated in Christmas. So, all right, we are going to get started. So I hope everyone is prepared for the holiday season. We sent our gifts off to Japan for the grandbabies. That's why you'll see Japan behind me. We are missing them terribly. All right. Ooh. Here's what it looks like. All right. Aw, nice. My person must know that I am sugar-free. So we've got a bunch of Russell Stover chocolates. I don't think I'm sharing those with anyone in the family. Oh my goodness. I think they put like a whole bag in here. Thank you. Perfect. Yum. All right. So I'm going to take out, okay. So here's another chocolate. So we've got wrap. I'm just feeling each piece to see if there's something in it, because you never know, right? Beautiful paper. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, I found some more candy down there, too. All right, so this one is one name brand or Coach bag. So let's get this open. I'm so excited. It was so fun to put one of these together. A little lift me up for the season. All right. Oh, cute. It is a Coach bag. Look at that. Isn't that precious? Oh, I love it. I love this color. Nice neutral. Oh my goodness. It's in great condition. Wow. Wow, that is really adorable. I love it. Nice. All right, let's get on. I'm going to move this other wrap off here. Number 2 is a fun box item. All right. I'm glad I kept my cutter here. I may need it. The fun boxes can be great or they can be, different. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it's a Coach hat. Isn't that cute? Look at that. That is really cute. Yeah, occasionally we do get Coaches in our fun boxes. I got a great fun box recently that had a bunch of Lily Pulitzer, really nice pieces in there. All right. Clothing items should fit me. All right. Fun. Oh, all right. Let me get this out of here. Yeah, so I hope you guys are going to totally enjoy this collab. And these are the fun ones. We really love to do it. Ooh, it's a St. John. Really beautiful. Wow. And that is like a beigey green. It is really beautiful. And it should fit me. Wonderful. Beautiful. Look at this. Nice. Beautiful drape pockets. That's a plus. Awesome. I'm so excited. I found more candy too. Okay. All right. This one is one pair of shoes. All right. This one I'm going to cut. All right. I'm going to carefully cut, I should say. Pair of heels. Let me get them out. All right. Well, we'll put that over there. Oh, these are adorable. These are Chloe's. Look at those. Aren't those cute? I love it. Love it. Here is the other one. Nice. Nice. Woohoo! I'm loving my box, and I love how they're all kind of beigey and brown. That is a great, great thing. All right, this is fun box item. Okay. It's open. All right, let me move this off here. All right, we've got, it looks like, bracelet or bracelets, not positive. Oh, they're cute. Look at those. These are really pretty. Oh my gosh. And that one, it looks like, is Mary. That is wonderful. Then we have this one, and this is Sagittarius. Then we have this really cute one. Then we have a star. I love these. These are cute. Then we have a little piece like that. Sorry, guys. There we go. With the blue. We have one with some dangles. Really cute. And one with the red. Oh, those are sweet. Really nice. And these clean up really well. You just take one of those cloths, clean it up. All right. Name brand Coach accessory. So as I read these off to you guys, we'll see what the themes were that we decided on. So kind of an ode to some of our favorite boxes, or the boxes we get the most from ThredUp. Oh, this is adorable. It is a Dooney and Burke. A little wristlet. That is so sweet. So cute. There we go. This is really nice. Oh, I love it. And another kind of that beigey theme. I love it. Okay. Designer item. Carefully cut this one open. All right. So what I'm going to be doing during this video, in the beginning and at the end, I will put up the card for everyone else's channel and add their direct links to their videos as we go. So you can always check my video or any of the videos of the other people that are in with us. All right, we've got a jacket. Burberry, nice. Oh, isn't that pretty? It is a beautiful cream or sand. That is really nice. Blazer, love that. Here's the back. That is adorable. I'm loving my box. All right. Items you like to sell. Oh, sweet. Nice. That is really pretty. It is a sterling silver. Let's see if I can find eyepiece here under all this yummy candy. All right, I can't find it off the bat, but it is marked 925. It is a ring. Bring this up so you guys can see that. There we go. That is a really pretty design. I like that. And then this one is marked something. Not sure. It could be costume. I'm not sure. I can't undig my eyepiece from over there. So really beautiful. Yes, I do. I sell jewelry. So that is something I like to sell. Perfect. I'm going to leave them here. All right. You've got items I like to sell. Oh, open last. Okay. Name brand or sterling jewelry. Love it. Oh, wow. Wow. You guys can't see it. Here you go. Look at that. Isn't that really beautiful? That is really pretty. That is definitely sterling silver. Sterling silver and gemstones are what I pretty much go on. All right. It says, to Deborah from Secret Santa. So let's go to that one that says, items I like to sell, open last, before we find out who got this for me. All right. It is what? Okay. It's a Gucci watch. Wow. Dang. This is really neat. Wonderful. Wow. Thank you, whoever sent this for me. Sorry, guys. Trying to get that to focus again. It just doesn't want to, but it is really a beautiful, beautiful watch. Thank you. Thank you. All right. That is everything. Yes. So here is my card. I may or may not read it to you guys. It just depends what it says. All right. So I'll read you the front. For someone special at Christmas, this is the season for giving and sharing, for days full of laughter and hearts full of caring. So really cute. All right. Deborah, I hope you loved all your Secret Santa gifts. I wish you everything wonderful this holiday season. You deserve it. Your Secret Santa. Stephanie. I can show it. There we go. Aw, that is wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Stephanie. Wow, wow, wow. You outdid yourself. It is wonderful, wonderful pieces. You went overboard, girl, but thank you. So, yeah, we got that beautiful Gucci watch. I'm going to put it back in the box. We've got this stunning sterling silver pendant. There we go. Close that box up. All right. Then we got the rings. Two really pretty rings here. The items I like to sell. Then we had the Burberry. Wonderful. Wow, that is so pretty. All right. I got to move the paper. All right. Well, these are fun. These are the fun kind of collabs. If you guys like collabs like this, leave us messages and comments in each part of our videos. Let us know what kind of collabs you're looking for. If you love this one, we love this one as well. We've got the beautiful St. John sweater. It is lovely. Then we had, if I can reach it, the Dooney and Berg. That is really precious. And I love the color scheme. That is fantastic. And we have these Chloe shoes. Whoops. I'll get that in a minute. Then we got the fun Alex and Ani bracelets. I love those. We got the fun Coach hat. I love it. If I didn't have a Christmas tree on my head, I'd be wearing it. That is really cute. All right. And then we've got the Coach. I love it. And don't forget, we got tons and tons of sugar-free candy. So my person, Stephanie, thank you, really knew me. Yes, I am sugar-free. So wonderful, wonderful. All right, you guys. Well, don't forget that you're going to check down below, and I will put a card up and let you know who the other creators are in our collab. And we are doing Happy Hour Haulers, Janet and Bryn, The Step Style Cheat Sheet, Stephanie, myself, Timeless Joe by Deborah, Stina Resells, Christina, Kristen D, Kristen, Shady NY, Marilyn, aka the Bag Lady, and then Jamie, Pat Garza is Pat Garza. Single Mom Review is Sherry. Misty at Skeeter Jones is our last person on the list. So don't forget, December 14th through the 23rd, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time each evening, we will have a new video. So if they're in a premiere, we would love for you guys to stop in and chat with us. So, all right, you guys, well, you have a fantastic holiday season wherever you are in this crazy world of ours. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, any holiday or non-holiday that you guys celebrate. So, all right. Well, thank you, Stephanie. And thanks, Janet, for putting this together for us. Always a stellar job. We love you guys. You guys have a beautiful evening. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.